Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create bounce effect in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my CapCut PC, and for example, I'm going to create bounce effect for this ball. If we want to create bounce effect, we can use keyframe feature. So this is the symbol of keyframe and we can use it to create bounce effect. So I'm going to place this ball right here on the top, and then I'm going to click on the keyframe. So the first keyframe has been added, and for the second keyframe, I'm going to place the spirator right here, and then I'm going to drag it down or move it down. Okay, the keyframe has been added, and for the third keyframe, I'm going to place it right here, and I'm going to move it up to create bounce effect. Oops. Okay, and the last keyframe, I'm going to place it right here. Okay, I think I need to add one more keyframe guys. I'm going to add the keyframe at the end of the track. I'm going to make it disappear. Okay, and now let's just take a look at the result. I'm going to play the video. Okay, as you can see that the bounce effect has been created. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create bounce effect in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.